Hi guys, welcome back to Dinnertime Destruction. My name's Jeff FaFa.
I am Taylon.
Alright, and once again we've got another taste test going down today. We have Corta's eggplant dip. It says something over the top of it. Baba Ganoush.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Yeah. Baba Ganoush eggplant dip.
I'm not even going to try and pronounce them.
Yeah, no.
That's at the end of that.
No, really just a plain Jane eggplant dip. It says to add lemon juice, garlic, and oil. That's not what Dinnertime Destruction is about.
We're not adding things.
No, we're just gonna.
Not anything good.
Yeah. We're not gonna try to make it taste good. Apparently, it's not gonna taste good coming straight out of the can, but it doesn't have any heating instructions or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and tear into this right quick. Would you like to do the honors? I hate being the person that does the honors and getting that first whiff of it. Still got the first whiff. That's pretty.
He's gonna
Is it even moving?
It's moving.
Oh, good freaking job.
I mean, it smells like refried beans.
Nope. Smells like eggplant.
It smells like refried beans to me.
Or your freaking attack. Smells like eggplant. Whew! Puking can. Does not look. Oh my. Oh my. Mm. Oh, there's something stringy on the end of my. Well, at least it doesn't pass the Dairy Queen challenge. It's got sesame seeds in it too.
Are those sesame seeds?
What's that? Sesame seeds.
I don't know why you're bringing it closer to you. I'm probably going to need it more than you do. Although it is you, so I'm not sure.
2 videos in and he's already talking crap. Like, look at this. Is this what I've been reduced to, y'all? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ugh. That was not pleasant. You're just letting it sit in your mouth, aren't you?
Didn't even try.
Ugh.
It almost has a.
Push that away.
It almost has a taste of horseradish to it. The second that it hit my tongue.
I don't know what flavor it has to it except disgusting. That's all I could say is just the.
That was pretty. A lot more intense than I was expecting.
Yeah.
Really wasn't expecting a lot of flavor. I mean, I've eaten eggplant before. I have no idea how to describe this at all. Very oily, I guess you could say. It's very oily, very creamy, very like, I don't know. It's a very pungent taste as well. It's there as soon as it touches your tongue. It's
Oh yeah.
yeah. But eggplant dip, once again, another item you'll probably be seeing more of throughout the videos. Once again, my name's Jeff FaFa,
I am Taylon.
and thank you for tuning in to Dinnertime Destruction. You guys have a great day.